So hello, myself Aman, and today I'm going to record small presentations on a project that I've made in the Construct Week of Masai. So I have created a website which will include notes of different subjects related to programming, coding, web development, or graphic designing, editing tools. So I have created this website because the main purpose, for building this site, is not to clone any website. It just have to use the features of React into a real website, and how we can do and use that things in the real life scenarios and examples. So let me share my screen and then I'll explain more about it, like how I have created, what are the key functionalities, and what are the like tech stacks. Yeah. So hello everyone. This is the landing page of my website, and it's not having too much pages. The landing page is one of the main page, and other than that, I have a login and sign up page also. Login and sign up page functionalities are working here. So currently, this is the navbar, and one of the main key features of this website, I can say that providing notes is essential and it's good. And one more thing is we like if I have to like search for any particular nodes, I can search here, and when I click on this button, so my search functionality is working and I'm redirecting to that component. And so here is a basic structure, welcome, and there are some tags, and then I have written my given my Instagram page and WhatsApp channel and personal portfolio. This is like all related to my tech projects, and I'm like posting content on these pages and channels. So the first of all, when you go and the first subject is related to web development, in web development I have separate type of notes like HTML one shot and one. If I click on these notes, so you can see that I'm redirecting and I'm given the drive link. So in the drive link, I am getting all the notes of web development, not web development, like full notes of HTML, and it is containing all the important things. And after that, if I want to study topic wise, so I have also that like introduction to it, HTML table, then box model grid, then some topics related to SEO, how search engine optimization work, what are the keywords, black hat SEO, white hat SEO, all that type of things. Then framework in React, I have learned React yet, so I have created I have find a notes without copyright, and I have included that here. And in React, you can see like all the topics are included in this. So I have different type of subject, like more than 15 subjects are here. Fundamental of computers means MS Excel, MS Word, then Python one shot also, and topic wise also. Then database management system, Git and GitHub, data warehouse, Android programming, communications. In communication, you can see like written communication, non-verbal communication, interpersonal, business writing, types of communication, all the things are programming, data structure. So if I'm talking about all the notes here, so I want to thank one of my friend Paras Sharma. He's from BC and the college. He provided some notes to me, and I am also collecting the notes from like first semester. Currently, I'm in final semester. I'm collecting some important notes that will help me in the future. And I also want to place all the notes into the same place, so I'll get an idea, so I can use this thing here when like our EC sir said our instructor said that you have to not build a clone, you have to think and create your own ideas. So the first thing, like from a long time ago, I wanted to create a website like this, and finally I have done it. So I'm like really happy. And these are the like all the notes you can see here, and this is a footer section. If I'll click on WhatsApp, so I'll redirect to my WhatsApp channel what I have created, code hub, the name of the channel. If I'll click on Instagram, so I'll redirect to that page which I have created. This is my Instagram page, and I'll posting some contents and notes here. So let me close this. And if I have to one more, there are some handwritten notes also. So if I have to search for any notes, let me think any notes. So let if I want to open the notes related to Git and GitHub, so I can click here and open the notes. If now I like currently I'm not logging, so after sign in I have to put an email. I'll put an email and any password, random password. If I click on submit, I'll got a pop-up that account created successfully. Please log in. So for login, I have to go on the login page. I'll click here and go to the login page. And when I successfully click my same ID and password, so I will redirect to the my dashboard page. And now my UI is changed. Like for previously, I have seen that here is written sign in, but now it is sign out because log out because I'm already signed in. So it's not a way to sign in again. And so like if I like for the notes, if I want to search Python notes, so I'll click on Python, and when I click on search here, so I don't know why it's not so unlike. I'll go to the Python. Like previously, I'm like clicking here, so that's the reason. And if I click on Python, so my Python notes are coming onto the UI. So let me search one more uh, subject. If I want to search like notes related to GitHub, so I'll click on Git and I'll got my, like my GitHub notes. So that's really amazing feature. I think that's all about it. And if I talk about my GitHub repo, so this is my GitHub repo which I've created for this project. This is my GitHub repo. You can see all the things here. uh, like other text tags for this website is HTML, JavaScript, React, JSX, Tailwind, CSS, and Chakra UI. All the accordions are I have used from Chakra UI. So I think that's all about it. Let me stop my share screen and then I end this video. Thank you so much for listening.